Chapter 16. Adult and pediatric dosages based on body surface area. Concept 1. General information. Many medications are prescribed based on BSA, which we call body surface area. BSA is a major factor in calculating medication dosages for both children and adults because body's physiological processes are more closely related to body surface than to weight. Pediatric and geriatric medications use the patient's BSA to determine a safe dosage. BSA is also important for burn victims and patients undergoing chemotherapy, radiation treatments, and open heart surgery. BSA calculations are used to provide more accurate dosage calculations specific on patient size and severity of the illness. Methods of determining BSA. Method 1. Reading West Nomogram, and Method 2. Using a formula. BSA unit of measure, since its area, right, body surface area, is a square meter. Concept 2. Reading the West Nomogram chart. Refer to the figure on the left. There are 4 columns in the chart. Height, the first column, height. It has 2 scales. A scale on the left is in centimeters. Please take a look, centimeters. And the second on the right is in inches. For children of normal height and weight, there is the specific second column here, right? For children of normal height and weight, it's in the frame. It has 2 scales also. And on the left side we have weight in pounds, and we have the surface area in square meters, right? We have it already here. The third column is surface area in square meters, and then weight, the fourth column, it has 2 scales again. And for that, on the left, we have the weight in pounds and we have the weight in kilograms, so we don't have to do the conversions. We can use the information provided. So I want you to take a look at the scale for height and for weight, as well as scale on the diagram in the column number 2 and number 3. So all of them have increments and the spaces not consistent. Be sure that you read the numbers and calibration values between them correctly. Very easy to make a mistake, to confuse pounds with the kilograms or centimeters and inches. So let's take a look how it works. First, we will take a look at determining body surface area for children of normal weight and height. So therefore we are going to work only with the second column. So our question is for the child weighing 20 pounds. We need to find BSA, and BSA says it's 0.44 square meters. So let's take a look how it works, right? So we have the weight 20 pounds over here, right? Weight in pounds, we found that, and right away, that's since it's normal weight, we don't need to use the height. So the surface area will be on another side, 0.44 to be more accurate here, not 45. The purple line shows the solution for question B for a child weighing 42 pounds. So 42 pounds we will find on the left, right? Take a look how to read the scale. Between 40 and 50 we have only 5 lines, therefore the increment here is 2 units. So we are using just one line, gives us 42 pounds. And then we will look on another side, and that it shows us 0.78, since 1, 2, 3, 4 units on that side. For your convenience to make it larger, you can download the same chart from our Blackboard and try to see how it works. For C, For a child weighing 44 pounds, BSA is 0.8. Please take a look. 44 pounds. We found that here, and on another side you can determine 0.8. So now your turn. You can try to determine the body surface area for the child weighing 7 pounds, 65 pounds, and 52 pounds. You can record your answers and share them on Blackboard. Now we will look how to determine the BSA for children whose weight and height are not normal, they are abnormal, they might be maybe obese or maybe too skinny. So for that we need to use three other columns. We need to use the height, we need to use the weight. Since we know the height and weight, we will connect the lines. We will connect 2 points with the lines. Yes, first we will find the point for the height, then we will find the point for the weight, connect them, so our line will cross the third column, the surface area at a specific point, and that will be our answer. So A, find the body surface area for a child weighing 50 pounds and has a height of 36 inches. So we are going to the weight, and we will find the scale. The correct scale is on the left, 50 pounds. So make sure we are not using 50 on the kilogram side. And then we need to go also and find the height of 36 inches. So inches are located on the right side of the height on the first column, 36. Connect them and you will see that we have the point which crosses the surface area at 0.8. That will be exactly BSA. Now you can try to do a couple of examples and record them. Find BSA for a child weighing 10 pounds and has the height 60 centimeters. So keep attention, pay attention to the units. Also the child weighing 20 pounds and height 30 inches, and then 13 pounds and height of 19 inches. Good luck. In this concept number 3, we will calculate also body surface area using formulas. There are two major formulas to calculate them. One formula is related to the metric system, so again you don't need to make any conversions, and it uses kilograms and centimeters. So the structure of the formula is pretty much the same. So for body surface area, in kilograms and centimeters, we need to enter the weight in kilograms, height in centimeters, and divide by the specific calculated factor 3600, and then extract the square root. If we are using the household system, then the formula will be changed slightly. The weight in pounds times the height in inches divided by another number, 3131. So this is for household system. And again, don't forget to extract the square root. Steps for simplifying these formulas: multiply the weight by the height on your calculator. Obviously you cannot use this formula without calculator, since we cannot extract the square root without calculator. Then divide the product obtained in step 1 by 3600 for metric units and 3131 for household units. Do not round yet. Then enter the square root sign on the calculator, and only the final answer you will round to the hundreds of square meters. So extracting the square root and rounding the final answer. Example. For the metric system, calculate BSA for the adult weighing 104 kg and height 191 centimeters. Express BSA to the nearest hundreds. So we will plug in the formula 104 kilograms times 191 centimeters divided by 3600 and extract the square root. Even if you need to round a little, make sure that you don't round to the 10th on hundreds. Try to cut your number, but keep decent number of decimal places. Let's say 4 places after the decimal point, and then extract the square root. So your answer for this one should be 2.35 square meters. And in household system, You can try to check actually example number 2 metric system. So see if you can get the answer for the second example, 0.44 square meters. And you also can take a look at these examples in metric system. Calculate them, please. So for your extra exercises, record and share your answers on the blackboard. And then also calculate BSA using the formulas for the household system. So for the household system, let's take a look at example number 5. If the weight is 34 pounds and the height is 24 inches, then we need to use the formula 34 pounds times 24 inches divided by 3,131, and then extract the square root. So multiply the numerator 816 divided by 3,131, simplify a little bit number, round that to the 10,000, and then extract the square root. So in your case, that will be the answer rounded to the hundreds, 0.51 square meters. Try to do example number 6, put the video on hold, and then see if you can get the answer of 1.67 square meters. Concept number 3, calculating BSA using formulas. You try to show the work for the following household examples and see if you can receive the answers provided in the end. And last concept, dosage calculations based on body surface area. So once you calculated body surface area, perform a simple multiplication to calculate the dosage. For example, the recommended or safe child's dosage for a medication is 5 mg per 1 square meter. The child's BSA is 1.1 square meter. So in order to calculate the child's dosage, we need to multiply 5 mg per square meter by the number of square meters of child's body surface area. So take a look. Square meters are cancelled and we are getting 5.5 milligrams of medication should be administered based on body surface area. No way.